Picture this. You're in the grocery store or any kind of store, and you see this beautiful box of tea. And in your mind goes, oh, look at that box. I could make something from the box, which is exactly what I did. I bought this only because of the size of the box. It was just so gorgeous, the size of it, because I thought I could make a junk journal. So I don't even drink tea, but I bought the tea box just for the box. Here's what happens when you open it up and take the tea bag out. Tea bags, which I have to give to somebody because I don't even drink tea. When you open it all the way up, look at how fun this is. And it's nice thin cardboard, so you can cover this and make the coolest junk journal. Want to see what I made? Voila! Here is my latest little truly junk journal. I covered that box with my leftover papers from lots of my digital kits. This is one of those acetate stickers from Temu that I really, really like. And look, when you open it up, remember how I showed you it was all flip-flops? Open it up, flip that up, pull this all the way down, and look how fun. So I added a tag right here from my kit, Rejoice in the Lord, it says. Excuse me. And these are stamps that are from one of my kits. And this is a belly band with the joy that's left over from my joy journal kit. Added some little papers, some embossed paper, and an old, this is from, well, I can't remember now, Seven Gypsies. And I stamped Praise Forever and put that back in the belly band. So there's plenty of room to journal. Added one of my ATCs. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. And that is Matthew 7:7 in a pocket from one of my kits. Here's another pocket, and I added another acetate butterfly with another little journaling piece in there. So let's flip it back this way. Go back over here, and this is one of my little mini envelopes that this came in the green brocade kit. And on top, let's see, I'm going to show it to you. This is one of my little tickets from a kit. Devote yourself to prayer, being watchful and thankful, Colossians 4:2. And when you open it up, I've included another Bible verse in there. My lips will shout for joy when I sing praises to you, my soul also, which you have redeemed. That is Psalm 71:23. So we can put that back in there, close that up. Flip it over. I added this is not from one of my kits. This is so super old. I think it's a Tim Holtz Hope ticket. And then on the back, I actually put one of these stickers. This is a sticker that I think is from 49 Market, but looks like a stamp, so that I could have my ribbon there, so it'd be easier than trying to always take it off and then put it back on. So when you go around, whoops, you have to go around one more time, Diane, and then you can tie it back up, and it becomes this darling, and it only took about 2 hours to make all of this. So 2 things learning from this little video. Number 1, don't forget to look at boxes, because look how beautiful they are. Number 2, what do you do with all the leftover parts? All of my digital kits, I give you so many pages. And because it's a digital kit, you can reprint it and reprint it and reprint it. And look at the fun things you can make and give away. Blessings and have fun. Show me your boxes that you use for your junk journals.